Rover Aurora 13.3-inch screen installation tutorial. First, pry off the fender on the right side off the passenger side. Then unscrew the screws. The screwdriver, we use the T30. Pry off the left and right decorative strips and unscrew the screws. Then go to the decorative panel on the dashboard. Unscrew the screws below. After all the screws are tightened, the central control screen decorative can be removed. There is also a cable that you must unplug. Then go to the screws on the storage box under the console. Now you can dismantle the console. Don't raise the console to high because the cables are very short. It's the wiring of these 3 positions. Now we need to remove the screws of the screen. There are 4 screws in total. Then go to the screws of the hose. Take out the screen and unplug the cable behind it. Then there are the lines behind the hose. First, we unscrew the 4 screws on the cover. Unplug the cable inside. Now we need to take out the motherboard inside. After tightening the screws, take out the motherboard above. The next step is to remove the small motherboard below. After taking out both motherboards of the original car, we need to replace the motherboard into our main case. Save the removed screws to reinstall the motherboard. Next is to install the heat dissipation silicone. Just stick the heat dissipation silicone on the CPU. Then replace the motherboard and tighten the screws. Then install the back cover of our hose. Pay attention to the installation direction of the cable. Put the lid back on and secure it with screws, and you're done! We took out the frame of the original car's central control screen. Just take out the 6 screws on top. After removing the screws, take out the face frame and replace it with our face frame. Tightening the screws. Tightening the screws. Plug in the host adapter cable. Laying out other cables. We can put the USB cable in the glove box or put it under the glove box. Both positions are acceptable. We see that this button line has 2 labels. This one says 16 models of Evoque, so use 16 models of cars. If the year is not written, it can be used on 2011 to 2015 models of cars. This is the power plug. This is a button adapter cable to transfer buttons. Plug this end back into the original car button. We can put the circuit boards on both sides of the original car. Remove it. Just put it directly in the central control unit. Then this end is inserted behind the screen. Next, plug in the cable at the back of the host. You can fix the main unit with screws. Install the console. Plug in the cable behind the screen. Replace the screen panel and the modification is completed.